Hey, it's Sizzling Popcorn with GM Games. Today we're going to look at the 3D construction kit that comes with OOTP 21. It's brand new. Let's get started right away. We're going to load a previously saved game that we used before with the Washington Nationals. And now what we can do is if we want to change the Washington Nationals stadium, you can do this with any other team. You can always choose your team, or even going into a different league and then choosing your team. Once you've chosen your team, then go to team settings, and then here you'll see you've got edit ballpark. Click on edit ballpark. Now you can edit your ballpark like you usually do, but this is just for the 2D. Now you've got the 3D ballpark construction kit. Click on that. And then now you can completely change the face of the stadium from ground up. So welcome to the 3D ballpark construction kit. In this first step, you can choose the basic shape of your ballpark, select between a major or minor league ballpark, and also choose between several field textures. So that's what minor league would look like. We're going to go with major league. We're going to go with, let's take a look at the different shapes here. Number 5. Let's go with number 3. And then you can change the field texture. So field 1, field 2. 3, 4, 5. 4 and 5 look like that turf texture. Now the background, you can change the background, but not exactly sure why you'd want to change the background. Because that's Google Maps. I guess it's the pop-ups. Yeah, because this looks like some mountains in the back. And you can change camera rotation controls and camera movement controls. We'll go to the next step. So the layout, left field sector, that's element 2, 3. So that's adding a single bullpen. 4, 5. Yeah, so 2 is a double bullpen. Oh, and 6 is like out of this world. Doesn't really fit. Then the center field section can have palm trees. American flag. I wonder if you're in Canada, would it flip to the Canadian flag? 5 and then 6. Then in the center, you can have a cornfield. So really, you could actually pretty much build yourself out. What is that movie, Field of Dreams? You can almost build that out, where it's all like cornfields in the background. Palm trees. Brick. And they're going to be adding more to this as the year goes on. So that's 4, 5. We're back to this. This is like a fun zone, I guess. Then you get the right center. It's going to be the same thing. So let's go with 4. Sorry, a 6. And we'll go 6 over here. Seating, you can go from green, blue, red, or gray. Since we're with the Washington Nationals, let's go with red. The sea of red. Now we're going to go into the fence configuration. So this lets you configure the outfield fence. You can select the active fence post and then move it in or out or change the height. You can also create the new fence posts or delete existing ones. The field shape will adjust automatically. You can also change the color of the fence. So let's see which, I think this is the active one right now. So as I'm increasing it, you can see that. Let's increase. Then move this one, increase it. The only thing with this is the fans sitting behind there, they're not going to be able to see. Let's move to the next one. And if I were to move it out, you can move it in. And there's limits, because obviously you're not going to be able to put it extreme, like have the fence all the way down to home plate. That's not how baseball works here. Back, let's move it back in. Sorry, move it back out. And then let's decrease this one. It's not really realistic in this case, where you get the fence down that low. But it's just to show you. So you got 3 colors for the fence. Let's go with the green. And then top color, you can have yellow, red, or orange. We'll leave it yellow. Then you can move on to, let's see, preview park factors. So preview park factors gives you the heights, and then it gives you the factors for baseball average, home runs, doubles, and triples. We'll move on to the next step. Please review your ballpark and enter or select some basic information. So we're going to call this fun stadium. And then capacity, let's put, I wonder, is there any limits? No, not really. City, Washington. Washington, D.C. Let's put this down to 51,792. I just made that number up. And then assign to a team. So you can assign this to no team assignment. This could also be assigned to Washington Nationals. It could be the Blue Jays. It could be the Red Sox. So it doesn't matter which team you actually go in order to do the edit the stadium. You'll then be able to choose it in the end. So now you can save the ballpark. And now we're playing with the fun stadium. And you see how that's now changed. So if we go in, now we can see the 3D model of this. Not too bad. And again, you can open up the construction kit again. Edit camera FOVs. Let's see, 19. Let's go 24. Display attendance. Show full. Daytime. So the auto adjust grid to park, this feature automatically aligns your model to the grid for you. Hold the 1 key and click on home plate, then hold the 2 key and click on first base, then hold the 3rd key, click on third base. You should see colored balls on these bases, then hit 4 key and the grid will be adjusted to the park model automatically. Close this dialog to start the auto adjust tool. You can always use the 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons to start this feature without opening this dialog. And now let's go see what it looks like in game. So as you can see, it's exactly how I designed it. And there you have it. That's the new 3D Ballpark Construction Kit 1.0. And like I said, they're going to be updating this throughout the season. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. That way you'll know when the next video comes out or when we go into a live stream. If you want to join the GM Games Discord and the community, make sure to take a look at the link in the description below. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.